Nanababo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Friendship Highway, Angeles City, near the Korean town, and we were invited to come and check out Hangane, Sigol, Baboy, samgyupsal. So this is an unlimited samgyupsal. Meron pa siyang buffet, ayun. So we're gonna explore everything inside this restaurant. Of course, we're gonna taste din yung kanilang pagkain. And if you wanna know more, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Coming in here, dito po sa loob ng dining area ng Hangane, Sigol, Baboy. So this is the place, if you notice, ayan. Napaka-Korean vibes, no? So you have your ambience, yung mga tables natin ready for grilling, and at the same time, meron din silang mga pang shabu-shabu na lutuan. For the place, I think it can accommodate around a regular setup, no? More than 50. So that was the buffet and dining area. So papunta naman tayo dun sa VIP room nila, which is this one. Look at this. This is it, moment of truth. As we always say, the taste testing is the best part of this vlog. And magluluto na ako. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon, so lulutuin natin to. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan yung kaya natin kainin dito. So let's go! Mabilis lang naman kasing maluto tong beef na to. So pagsasabayin ko na kapag natapos silang maluto. Ayan, so ready na to. Prepare naman natin yung ating shabu-shabu. Dito naman sa shabu-shabu natin, nagpatulong na ako kay ate. Ayun! Lagay na natin lahat ng mga vegetables. Okay.
Yung iba din po, binuboil nila. Yung iba po, minimix nila.
Yes.
Opo.
Wow. Ikaw nga, anong gusto mo doon? So finally, natapos na yung mga niluluto natin. Shabu-shabu, at the same time, yung mga meat samgyupsal natin. It's time to taste the fruit of our labor. Prices natin dito, yung $3.99, which is the pork samgyupsal, yung $4.99, which is the beef samgyupsal, yung $5.99, which is the beef pork samgyupsal, at saka meron na tayong shabu-shabu. Now, take note, yung mga packages na yon has already mga main dishes at saka side dishes na available dun sa buffet table natin. So, roughly on an average day, they have like 15 different kinds of main dishes at saka mga side dishes na available unlimited. Ito yung buffet table natin. So, everything here is included po doon sa babayaran ninyo na package kung ano yung gusto nyo, either pork, beef, or pork, beef, and shabu-shabu. Okay. And so let me prepare it. So lagyan natin ng beef. Yung paste natin. Dami nito, guys. I mean, why not, di ba? Korean chicken. Ayan. So you can get this, guys, at the buffet table. As many as you can, di ba? Kimbap or yung mga rice rolls. Ayan. So let's try it. Yan. So available din yung mga egg rolls, guys. If you want, you can get this one. Hindi mawawala yung mga salad natin. Ayan. Look at this. This is so pretty. So the salad has, you know, different mix ng mga greens natin, mga vegetables. Look at that. I like the salad. You know what? Let me put this one. Salad plus egg roll. This is gonna be perfect terno na. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga japchae, mga Korean noodles natin. So this time, this is like parang siyang spicy tofu. Look at this. It's like a spicy tofu. Yaman na. Let's taste it. Yan, dun sa kimchi naman nila. So they have different varieties. So merong radish. This one is para siyang petchay, ganyan. Cheers! Oh! That is spicy. So nga pala, when you go here, aside from the unlimited buffet and samgyupsal and shabu-shabu, if you like their page and take a picture of yourself, mag-selfie po tayo dito, tag them, you're gonna get this 10% discount card from For You Cafe, which is just yung cafe na dito sa kanto niya. Now this time, I wanna try yung kanilang shabu-shabu, which is my favorite. Alright. So actually, when you order yung shabu-shabu, yung mga meat nung beef or pork, you can also include here. So pwede natin lagay dito. So let me prepare naman yung ating dip. Yung mga ingredients naman ng dip natin. So you have your garlic, meron tayong chili and some greens. So we're gonna mix them all together. Okay. So let's put them all. Pansin nyo guys, a lot of garlic, no? I really love garlic, kaya ayan, lalagay natin lahat yan. Even the chili, even the greens, lagay natin lahat yan. So very unique nga siya, interesting, no? Oh, and then this one guys, look at this. Ooh. What? So more of this. Ooh, look at that. More of this, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Oh. So heavenly. Sarap na sauce. Now for the dessert. Actually, when you go here, meron po silang free melona for each person that would dine in here. Kung gusto mo naman ng konting sweets from the buffet, so you have this sweet potato and this peanut sandwich. Ano yung binalikan mo dito, ma'am?
Actually po, in pork na po kasi manyaman niya. Bala mong aliwaya po ka rin aliwang pipag samgy. Super soft yun. Tapos bala mong always fresh, no? Tapos, yung buffet na po, kaya po makasawa.
4,599, sulit naman po. Busog naman po. Opo, sir.
Kasi makagalaw sila na
Kaya din naman tayo. Ayan. Now, si Hangane Sigol Baboy po is open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. in the evening. Located lamang po siya dito sa Friendship Highway. Napaka-accessible po. They have a huge parking, so you don't need to worry about parking here. They have some secluded spaces or rooms such as this kung gusto mong secluded kayong kumain if you're a family or a corporate meeting, ganyan. Again, at the end of the day guys, for a price and the value of your money, sobrang sulit po ni Hangane Sigol Baboy. So there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out this restaurant. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Bye guys.